Welcome to Angel's Kitchen. Today we are preparing evening snack that is beetroot cutlet. It's very yum, very tasty and very much palatable. You will surely love it. Taste and texture is also awesome. Full of nutrients and energy. Welcome back to my Angel's Kitchen. Cutlet is something that I always love and enjoy, and adding to all what I have done, this one is very special for me, which is beetroot cutlet. Beetroot is one of my favorite vegetables, so why not make cutlet out of it? We are going to prepare beetroot cutlet, so let's get started and check out the recipe. Beet, chickpea, and potatoes, few green peas are some of the base ingredients which we are going to use. Let's begin with peeling off the beetroot. One big number beetroot, peel and grate it well with the help of grater. Grate whole beetroot and keep it aside. After grating, now switch on the flame and heat oil. Add few nuts like peanut. I have added peanut in it. Adding nuts is entirely optional. You can use cashew nut too. Add few raisins. Saute it well. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. You can use chopped also. Saute this too. Now add slices of onion. I have taken 2 onion slices. Saute this till translucent. Now add grated beetroots. Add 2 number of chopped green chili. Mix it well. Now add soaked chickpea keema. Instead of chickpeas, you can also use gram chana dal and make keema of it. Mix it properly. Cook until 5 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, half teaspoon of chaat masala and jeera powder. Mix all the things together. Add boiled or grated potatoes. After adding grated potato, add handful of boiled green peas, chopped coriander, Mix all the things together. Cook for few minutes. Mix all together. Now it's time to transfer it in a bowl. Make sure it is mixed properly. Transfer it in a bowl and let it cool down. For maida slurry, use 2 spoons of maida, that is refined flour. Dilute it in water. Add small amount of water at a time. Batter consistency should be this. After cooling down of mixture, you can add paneer cube, cottage cheese cube if you wish. Now make a ball and give a patty shape like tikki. You can make different variety of cutlet shapes. Give shapes according to your choice. This is another type of shape, like a fish. Generally you will find cutlet shape like this only. After shaping it, it's time to dip it in a batter. Coat it with breadcrumbs. This is my homemade breadcrumbs. Coat it well and evenly. Give it a shape. Similarly, prepare all others also. Crumb it nicely. Give it a shape and arrange it in a platter. Everything is organized. Now it's time to fry. Isn't it looking yum at this stage too? It's time to heat the oil and shallow fry our kebab or cutlet. After adding cutlets in oil, cook for few minutes. If one side is done, then flip it off from another side. Flip one by one. Cook till golden brown. Remove it from oil and transfer it in paper towel. Best evening snacks for all. Serve it along with your favorite dips. Isn't it palatable? Our Angel's Kitchen family happy too. Let's satiate your taste bud and enjoy this evening snack along with high tea or cocktail. Do share your comments and reviews. Like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching Angel's Kitchen. Bye bye.